So I've selected these three Anker chargers and power banks, and I have selected them based on their ability to fast charge all my devices, and that includes smartphones, tablets and laptops. Now all these three chargers use gallium nitride as semiconductor with a wider band gap of 3.4 electron volt. So that allows it to be more energy efficient, resulting in compact sizes of these chargers, and this also allows for a sleek design. Let's start with Anker 615 5-port USB power strip. It comes with two 65-watt fast charging USB Type-C ports that provide enough juice to charge not only my phones and tablets but also various Windows laptops that I use. I like its compact space-saving design that makes it perfect for keeping it on my desk. I can easily carry it in my bag and not have to worry about hauling multiple chargers for all my gadgets. Next up is Anker 733 power bank. This is my favorite accessory because it is a 2-in-1 charger and power bank combined. You get the best of both worlds with a hybrid 65-watt wall charger and 10,000 milliamp hour portable charger. It comes with two USB Type-C ports and one USB Type-A port that can simultaneously charge up to 3 devices at once. And finally, this is Anker 737 120-watt compact wall charger that can also simultaneously charge 3 devices. So if you are interested in any of these 3 chargers, please check out the links that I have put in the video description below. And now let's get back to the main video.